Alright guys, now we're going to go over the secret to how to use other people's tags, how to find them, and then put them on your own videos. And to do this, we can just search for a similar video to the one that we're uploading. And in our case, it is YouTuber Conspiracy Theories. And then we can just find a video with a lot of views. You might not want to use videos with people from like 4 million subscribers like this person right here, or this person with 18 million subscribers, because these people don't have to try that hard to actually get views on their videos, and this is because they're already going to rank because they have so many subscribers. So what you're going to want to do is find people with not many subscribers who are getting a lot of views on their videos. So you might want to sort by view count again to find the videos with the most views, and then look for people that don't have many subscribers. And the plugin I'm using is called vidIQ to see how many subscribers that someone has right there. And I highly recommend this. I'll leave a link to where you can download vidIQ as well. So once you find a channel, you can just click their video right. And then again, using that Social Blade plugin that I was talking about, you can actually copy the tags just with a simple click right here. So you just click that, and then the tags are copied onto your clipboard. And then going over to your video page, you can just paste the tags right in there. Now, you're not going to want to use the same tags as everybody else. And you don't want to make it deceiving either, because if they don't talk about a specific YouTuber, like let's say they don't talk about this Marina Joyce, whoever this is, you can just click the X on it, and then you can delete those tags. So that is the secret to finding other people's tags and putting them on your videos.